Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another goodie but a quickie cleaning video. Hope you get some cleaning motivation. I'm going to be deep cleaning my master bedroom and kind of doing some catch up. So this is just to kind of show you the beforehand. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy cleaning videos, please give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get started. Guys, so this is the end of the video. I have cleaned my entire room, as you guys can see. I vacuumed, dusted. I even got into the air vent that's in the bathroom. I believe my camera just shut off like for some reason, but anywho, so I am now going to empty my bag. It's not bagless, so I do have to empty this bag and then take out the trash, and then the sheets that I took off the bed, I'm going to take those downstairs with me to throw all of that in the wash and then finish up some laundry that I have downstairs. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, especially if you like cleaning videos. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and thank you so much for subscribing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.